Hey, good evening, Map here, Map Investments. Hope you all had a great weekend. No, I haven't done a video in a couple days. Been busy with the family and my daughter's soccer, but I want to say that I haven't done one like in 4 days, 4 days, 4 long days. So let's get into it. I'll start with the crypto market. Right now, it just seems to be a sea of red. Uh, I don't know why. I just have sentiment that we're gonna go down some here. Um, I don't know. I'm just going by gut feeling. I don't see euphoria. I see a lot of like the market is the stock market itself has had a pretty big run up, and we'll look at some charts. Um, Looks a little toppy, but you never know with all this, Fed intervention and stuff like that. Even though they said they're gonna taper a little bit less going forward. But anyways, as you can see, the top five coins are down. Bitcoin 5%, BNB down 4%, DOT down 6.5%, Shiba down 2, Doge down 4.3%. Litecoin 7, Link down 8.5. Crypto.com has been doing very well. I bought that one at 20 cents, still holding that. It's basically a double. Tron bucking the trend, but it just big sea of red all of a sudden. And we'll look at the futures too, the stock futures. One of my favorite tokens, number 45, Helium, down to 45. I have a lot of dry powder currently, so if we get a substantial pullback in some of these cryptos, I'll be a buyer. I haven't really sold anything. I'm still holding everything. But going up and down here, it just seems like everything is pretty red on the top 100 coins. Looks like we've hit a wave of selling here or in the evening here. UMA having a good day. He's pretty much the only one, but yeah, I'm already going by one. Everything's red. No green here. Gala up 28%. Don't know much about them. I think I'd have to do a little bit more research. I think there's a guy that I watched that did a video on them. Yeah, but it's pretty ugly right now. I don't even want to look at my accounts. Starlink up 2%. I haven't even read tonight's headlines. I just said, let me do a video. How does Gresham's law relate to Bitcoin? See, I love this little CoinGecko. You got the news here under Explore. I go through in here and I look for trends. I look for news on coins, and just educate yourself. Very, very important in today's age to stay up with all the moving parts. Shiba got added to the Gemini platform. China's Bitcoin ban is unnoticed geopolitical event. So I recommend coming here and do your homework for sure. Besides watching videos and trying to get as much information and research as possible on each investment you're gonna make. My account probably went down now with the sea of blood. 21.5 here. Shiba still over 6K. This got up to almost 10K in gains. Right now 6K. I might add if it goes down to, I don't know what this is here. It won't let me expand. 4.6 is a low on the week. So I this one's been good to me. IOTX has been pretty good to me at 2,800. And I bought this one at 5 cents. Uh, I'm pretty much even, and I added some more Alchemy Pay. I added a little bit more of this one. Um, they're doing a lot of processing of payments and stuff like that with Mastercard and stuff like that. So decided to add some of that cheaper one. Have some Tazels getting some interest. I like Mass Network. I did a video on them. I like them. Jasmine's been killed. I like Loopring. They're gonna probably get GameStop. Cosmos getting 5%. Decentraland with the Metaverse, good play. Algorand pays 4%. Axie Infinity, look at this one, down to 139. So this one's dropped pretty big. I wonder if there was some news. 1 week was 154, now we're down to 139. The 1 month was low 115, high 165. Live Peer was some news that they might be doing a deal with Shopify. And pretty much the rest, that's it there. And then here I got some Ether to convert. I have some Curve Doll, Funfair Gambling Insure for insurance in the crypto, Atari token, Starlink, UFO Spell, UFO Wilder Network, Poker, all virtual metaverse games. Spell tokens like Abracadabra, kind of payment system. I would have to do a little bit of more research on them. I just have a little bit, just a small thing there. And in coin, Sandbox is metaverse play like in the virtual. They do games and stuff just like Decentraland. Crypto.com has been good to me. And just smaller investments, as you can see there. Let's see if there's any news on the market front in the stock market. So, like I figured, we have, let's see if there's any news here. Let's go to this chat room, global news. JP Morgan sues Tesla for 162 related to warrants. China, Asian stocks are subdued following the inconclusive handover from Wall Street as yields grind. So rates, when interest rates went higher today, led by inflation break-evens, and with the focus shifting to Biden and Xi meeting where outcome expectations have been tempered. Chinese press reports citing analysts noted that CNY is expected to be supported by strong settlement demand and seasonal factors. CNY may also deviate from the USD index. US. So also they're talking about that they don't know if Jermaine Powell's gonna stay in the Fed chair. So there was another girl, I forgot her name, some blonde girl, Blair or something, was up for the running. AMC says it will use BitPay to accept Shiba Inu for online payments. Wow. McDonald's agrees to Dash and Uber to drive growth of McDelivery. And then you got Kashkari, who is the bald Fed voter, saying that, everything's fine. It's all transitory. All these corrupt Fed guys. They're even in the game. They're unstoppable. They're criminals in suits. Unfortunately, it's just a lot of news. I'm not gonna read all this. I was just trying to see the headlines because I see red everywhere. I'm not very motivated right now to touch anything here in the market. That's just me. I have some dry powder. Let's take a look at the dollar. See what the dollar's doing. Dollar is at 95 and a half, so has really climbed a lot. Let's look at the ludicrous move in Rivian stock with a market cap of 127 billion. So it blew through GM's market cap and I think Ford. It's incredible. Incredible. And it's going after hours. It's at 152. I'll just wait for this thing to have options. They don't have any options yet. So I won't even mess with that. I just thought I would touch on that because I thought it was pretty funny. Foreign currencies, all down for the most part. Bitcoin slapped down 1,300 to 62,600. Oil right at pretty much over the 80 mark. S&P down 150. Gold, everything's pretty much flat. We just opened up about an hour and a half ago. So we're trying to find a direction here in the futures. Gold holding firmly over 1,800 at 1,864. Feeders at 158 and cattle 131. Meat pretty flat. Hog 75. So they've been pretty consistent with the meat. Small caps down 3. Copper under 450. NASDAQ down a little bit, 3. Dow Jones down 6. Platinum and palladium pretty flat. Nat gas of a little bit over $5. Silver positive over 25. VIX up a little bit. Grains open at 8. Soybeans, wheat, and corn, they open at 8 p.m. And 30-year and 10-year rates are up, so rates are down a little bit right now in the after hours. On the stock front, let me see on the earnings picture. So trending here on stock tweets, we got Mata decimated because I didn't got an SEC probe or something. GGPI, I closed out today for a win. Voyager token, I don't have anything. Neo, Tesla, we're down some. AMC, I have a bullish play on there. See if it plays out. CrowdStrike got hit a little bit. I have a position in POW, which has not been treating me good. Maybe it goes up here in the near future. Blink, I have a position, and I didn't get filled in this one right here, Matterport. I do have a bullish position in Blink, which I'm up in. On the earnings front, we had 174 earning reports this morning and tonight is what it says here. And then tomorrow we have 45, 55 on Wednesday, 53 on Thursday, 6 on Friday. And it seems to be slowing down. I don't know if that's accurate. That Friday, the 26th, 427 reports. Not sure about that. We have Thanksgiving coming up, so we should probably slow down here. Lucid, who I think was ranked car of the year. I think I heard on CNBC today. So Lucid got car of the year. And these are today's earnings. Rumble down 5%. See what else here. I don't think there was that many big ones. I really didn't do much today. I just looked at it, but I just didn't. I was working. I looked at it briefly, but I didn't I didn't feel like doing anything. The markets seem pretty like consolidating, I guess. I don't know. I honestly think we're due for a pullback, but that's just me. We'll look at some charts now. Oh, Axion Enterprise, nice day, up 18%. They do the tasers and body cameras. So nice day for them. See what else here. Playboy, up $30 to $35. Nice day today, Playboy. Tyson's Food, up to 83. Nice day for them today. What else? Might as well just go through these. Vance Auto Part, down $2. Casper Sleep. Wow. Casper Sleep with a double. Wow, wow, wow. So maybe Casper is taking market share away from Purple. Because Purple got hit hard in earnings. Wow, Casper with a double. Did I miss that one? Can't believe that thing was at $3. Porch Group up 10%. Casper. Shucks. That was pretty cheap one. Vivian Smart Home up 16%. Might be cheap. Have to look at that one. Just looking at the earnings. Okay, that's the earnings. Oh, like I promised, let's take a look at I like using stock charts. Those for those that know me. Stock chart here. Let's see, SPY. So here's the SPY. MACD's pretty much, they're touching right there. Maybe we're getting a little bit of a divergence there. And that might be like a little hammer candle. That's a SPY. Markets didn't really do much today. I was trying to find direction. Bless you. Bless you. My wife's sneezing. Okay, so we got the NASDAQ here. A red hammer there. They all seem similar if you look at these charts. It's pretty crazy. Small caps had a big run. Out of all the indexes, the small caps are the ones that have been the strongest as of late. For those of you watching the market. So those are the charts there. They all look similar. Bar chart, I mean, I'm actually just doing homework with you guys, just going through my routine that I do all the time. I mean, Boeing was up. I think I did a trade in Facebook. I did a broken wing butterfly at the 3. Let me look at my fills. I was just taking positions off mainly, raising cash, taking profits, and just looking for the next, we'd like to see more volatility. Orders, right here, orders filled. So I did a broken wing butterfly in Facebook, which is now called Meta Platforms. Next week I did I bought the 360, sold 2 of the 362 and a halves, and bought a 370. So I skipped and I did a broken wing butterfly, and I did it for a 70-cent credit. So we'll see what happens there. I think my break even was, what was my break even? Can't remember off the top of my head. So I did that one. Closed a couple of grains for a profit. and most of them were just closing trades. I really didn't open. I did a broken wing butterfly on Boeing too. That was pretty much it. The rest I just closed out for profits. But yeah, Apple was flat. There you see Boeing. Ford's hanging around 20. AMC supposed to blast off. We'll see. AMD has been strong. It was over 150. It should keep going up. GGPI closed out. Some of the weed stocks have been doing better, like Telray and Canopy and ACB. There was some action in Pinterest, one of the last ones here. Mata had an SEC opened. Disney has been really beat up after earnings. Target. We have a lot of retail earnings coming up this week, so we shall see. Target up for Riot down in sympathy with Mara. CrowdStrike really got hammered. Really got beat up. Blink Charging was up big, and there was some activist interest in Dollar Tree today. That one was up huge. Big Five, high short interest, that one got clobbered 20%. Wow. Big move down. They're just playing that stock back and forth like a yo-yo. Big Five. DoorDash, boy, that one really beat me up, man. That thing was like a 170. Went straight up to 250. Nuts. Peloton cannot get out of its way. I think Home Depot reports here in the next couple. They might report tomorrow morning. I'm not sure. Trade Desk. Moderna has been beat up pretty bad. A little Las Vegas Sands with a little bounce. Splunk downgraded, I think. Down huge. GameStop still defying all logic at 210. Upstart, that one's a pretty good name and it's pulled back a lot. Might be enticing to look at that one. Shopify down some, Coinbase at 350 almost. And those were the top 100 options, most active options. So yeah, I only did one trade today that really caught my attention was Facebook, which is now Meta Platforms. So anyways, be safe out there. Look for better opportunities. Look for sales. You don't always have to be trading. It's okay to be on the sidelines and have some dry powder. And being patient sometimes pays off. Like the video, share it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.